This video is about unscheduled services. Equipment has scheduled services, but also unscheduled services. Unscheduled services are just repairs or anything that is done ad hoc that isn't done on a regular basis. The reason for unscheduled services is to track in history that it was done, which will also show up on reports. In this case, we'll perform a recharge, and it will show up on the history pane. To define unscheduled services, click on Setting, Equipment Types, then the equipment type. To add an unscheduled service, click on the plus sign. Let's take a look at this unscheduled service called Recharge. Notice that there are no conditions which make it unscheduled. If you were to add a condition, like a time-based condition, you would make this into a scheduled service. Unscheduled services don't maintain the last date, nor calculate the next date to be done, as it is unscheduled. Thanks for watching the video on unscheduled services.